Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to play your favorite game on Roblox but your phone is lagging and you're getting huge FPS drops? It is a really common and frustrating problem, especially on a map with lots of detailed skins and graphics. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to get your game running smoothly again in 2025. First things first, let's start with the easiest and most effective fix. When you are in the game, tap on the Roblox icon in the top left corner. Go to the Settings tab, find Graphics Mode, and switch it to Manual. Then drag the graphics quality slider all the way down to the lowest setting. This will make the game look a little simpler, but it will massively reduce the strain on your phone's processor. Next up, let's free up your phone's memory. Every app running in the background like TikTok, YouTube, or even your web browser is using up your phone's resources. So before you launch Roblox, make sure you close all of those other apps completely. This frees up RAM and CPU power, giving Roblox more room to run smoothly and preventing those mid-game stutters. Now, if you're on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the apps cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then you could either search it on the search bar or just scroll down until you find Roblox. And in the storage and cache section, you'll see at the bottom the clear cache option. Tap on it. This is totally safe, won't log you out, and can often resolve the issue by getting rid of any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the lag. Another thing to consider is whether your Roblox app and your phone's operating system are up to date. The Roblox developers are constantly releasing updates that fix performance bugs. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Roblox, and make sure you have the latest version installed. You should also check for any pending system updates on your device. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the answer. But a huge warning here, before you uninstall, make sure you know your account details. Uninstall the Roblox app from your device, restart your phone, and then download a fresh copy from the store. This can fix any deep-seated issues that are causing the lag. I really hope one of these tips helped you fix those FPS drops and you're back to enjoying your game. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!